Ever wondered how AI can learn from your company's internal data? Or you want to build a chatbot that knows your business inside out? In this video, we'll show you how AI can retrieve personalized information using RAG or Retrieval-Augmented Generation. To isolate the effect of retrieval, we'll use entirely fictional data that the model was never trained on. Let's ask the AI to generate a fake biography. In a real-world scenario, you can use SOPs, training manuals, or any company documents the AI needs to reference. Now we'll embed this information story into Ollama's RAG capability. Download the file and we will load it as our knowledge source. Let's open the fake biography we just generated. Now, before we embed this info into the knowledge base, we'll test the AI by asking about the fake biography, just to prove it has no prior awareness of this information. To set up the knowledge base, click Workspace in the left pane, then select Knowledge. Click the plus button on the right to add new knowledge base. Fill in the name of your new knowledge base and add a short description. The name of the knowledge base is how the AI will identify and retrieve the information. Once you've filled all the information, go ahead and click Create Knowledge to save your new knowledge base. To add your document, click the plus sign and select Upload Files. Choose the files you'd like to add into the knowledge base. Wait for the upload to finish. Now, let's ask our AI model about the new knowledge we just uploaded. I'll use the same question again, but this time I'll instruct the AI model to refer to the new knowledge base. When you want the AI to refer to your knowledge base, simply start with the hash symbol, then choose the name of the knowledge base from the list. When you upload a document, each piece of text is converted into a vector. The system measures similarity using math. The closer to vectors are, the more related the meanings are. At this stage, the AI will use the knowledge base you selected and retrieve the relevant information from it. It seems the AI detected that the person I asked about is actually a fictional character. The AI also provided a citation, pointing directly to the document in the knowledge base as its source. Now, we'll generate another new document to add into the knowledge base. Just like before, we'll let the AI generate this document as well. Save the new document, and then we'll create another knowledge base. Ollama allows you to create multiple knowledge bases, so you can organize different sets of information separately. To keep your data organized, always assign a unique name and a clear description to every knowledge base you create. To create another knowledge base, navigate to Workspace, select Knowledge, and click the plus button. Now, provide a unique name and a clear description to define the purpose of this new knowledge base. Once you've entered the name and description, click Create Knowledge to save the new knowledge base. Upload the new document into this knowledge base. Select the new document you want to upload. With RAG, you don't need to retrain the AI model to teach it new knowledge. You just update the knowledge base. Traditional AI models are limited by their training cutoff date. RAG lets you inject fresh, real-time information into the models. Since the AI retrieves facts from your documents, it reduces the risk of hallucinations or making up information. At this point, try asking the AI a question about the new document. Make sure to add a reference to the new knowledge base so the AI knows where to look. RAG uses embeddings and vector databases to remember where facts live and pull them out fast. What just happened? We showed how RAG can retrieve and generate answers from your own data. So today, we show you how powerful RAG really is. We created fake documents, uploaded them into Ollama, and the AI answered based only on the knowledge we gave it. Now imagine replacing those fake files with your company's SOPs, product knowledge, or manual document. Suddenly, you have an AI assistant that truly understands your business. With Ollama and RAG, you're the one writing the AI's playbook. Until next time, keep experimenting and keep building smarter AI tools. If this gave you new ideas, hit subscribe and like this video. Drop a comment below. What kind of AI assistant would you want to build?